So before we add any other degrees to this, let's talk about what we can figure out by what's already there. So we have these two lines that cross, and remember when two lines cross across the vertex from each other, these are vertical angles. So that means that this is going to be 40 degrees right there. All right, so I'm just going to take everything off of here and then just write in the 40 so nothing is confusing. So we know that angle DOE is 40 degrees. All right, so we also have this other information up here which is important. We know DOF is 120, so that means that this angle DOF, which goes here, this whole thing is 120 degrees, the whole yellow part. So to be able to find just this smaller angle in here, FOE, this smaller angle right in here, we need to do 120 degrees minus 40 degrees, and that gives you 80 degrees. So just to clean up some stuff in here, I'm going to get rid of this yellow part. Get rid of this, and we're going to label this angle as 80 degrees. So the question is, what is angle BOC? So we can take a look at BOC. It's right here. And you'll notice that if we draw these lines straight through, these are two intersecting lines, and across the vertex from each other are vertical angles. So that means that this is 80 degrees also. So that means that angle BOC equals 80 degrees.